Hey, what's up everybody? Sean here from Sean's RC Adventures. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I've been waiting for this for a while and finally today they arrived, so let's see what's in the box. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing, guys, so just stick with me. I hope you can see that okay. These days I've normally been way too impatient to do an unboxing, but I figured since this one is a small one, might as well go ahead. We'll see what we got, guys. So I have two of these. I'll open them in a minute. So these are sound kits for the excavators. So two of them. One for the excavator, one for the dozer. And then I do have this that we will open in 1 second. So let's open this one and see what we get. So this is gonna give the excavators this is gonna give them like the track noise, like so it'll sound like the tracks are actually moving and everything in it too. A lot smaller than I was expecting, which is really good because then it should be a lot easier to fit in. So just have speakers, sound modules, and let me just see. Hopefully they give you the jumper cables because that's the most important part, because you've got to do some jumpers in and out between. So it's hard to tell on the website what they actually do give you. Okay, so it does look like we have jumper cables, so they give us the little jumper. So this will go into the ESC and then whatever channel it was, because you got to do. So let me see, there'll be a tracks. So there'll be two for tracks. Is that all they give you? Two? Give you three, so you'll have the tracks, and then what I'll do with this, instead of doing like all the different channels, like my channel 5 is a preset mix that does all the channels, so I'll actually put this into channel 5, so as soon as the pump is called for, then it'll make the noise no matter which. If I move the boom, the stick, the bucket, then this should theoretically kick in if I do it right, theoretically. So I gotta just figure out what the rest of these are all for. You see what so it does come with a wiring diagram in so sound module, power supply. I'm hoping you can just plug this directly. I'm hoping you can just like plug this directly into the ESC and feed it off the ESC. I hope so anyway. The speakers are they're heavy, but they're small, which is nice. But anyway, this is what you get in it. This is not much of a wiring diagram, so I'm gonna have to do a bit of figuring out. So this is what you get in the box for the excavator kit, guys, and girls, if there's girls listening. I always just say guys, but it's just a force of habit. And of course you'll never get this back in the that back in the box the way I took it out. So we'll see. But this one is what I've been excited about too. So this is the new Losi 4T kit. Not Losi, sorry, Lasso. So this is the new Lasso 4T. Let me just open this in a minute. What I'm really excited about is the sound module in this. So it has jumper cables as well, so that's good that it comes with jumpers. Seems like it has a pretty good instruction manual. So this is actually for the orange dump truck, guys. This is Has the backup beeper, has the speaker, has everything in it. Even though the dump truck came with a speaker, it didn't come with a sound kit. So this is the part that I'm really excited about. I keep lifting my parts higher than what my camera actually is. So if you can see these parts, I don't know if they'll show up on camera. So just by changing these little plugs, they're sort of like the plugs you had on the old ESCs, but just by changing them, you can change the actual sounds. So right now it's set for the European sound, and then you can have like a V8 and a V6. So this is the European sound, then a V8 and a V6, and then I don't know what, maybe you guys out there will know what an LG sound is. I don't know what LG is, but it's a pretty significant little box. So it's pretty cool. It comes with all the lights as well. So the dump truck, it has all the brake lights, reverse lights, even has a little volume control right there where I can control it. It even has like the backup beeper and everything. So this will probably be the first one I get in, or maybe I'll put the excavator in, but this is the one I was looking forward just to seeing how it works. And then I will do an update video. So there's the little backup speaker. Hold on. So this is that's the little speaker for the backup noise, like for the beep beep noise when you're backing up. So I will do an update video whenever I install it, just to see and give a review on it. I guess this is the light board for it. But it's nice that everything is all so hold on, let me just take it all out a minute and show you. So everything is already done. So it's like left side, right side, front and rear. So like they already separated it all for you. I just got to figure out which is the front, which is the rear, but they already have it separated to like left side, right sides. I guess if one of them has longer leads, that would be the rear. I'm sure I'll take a look through the instruction manual and see, but so it's left, right, and then as I said, this is your volume control. So I'll just have to figure out where to put this. I'll be able to just preset it to whatever, how loud I want the start truck to be. But I was actually surprised. I didn't know if this would actually come with an instruction. That's the thing about buying some of these things. Like some of them come with instruction books, some don't. So this one actually seems to have a lot more detailed one than what the excavator one has, so you can see that. And then I guess this is for hooking it all up, wiring it, and but the one in the excavator had a lot less than this. And I guess just how the wiring all works. So this is the 4T. And I guess this is telling you how to program your controller with it, so you get the right switches, like what switch to put it on for starting and going, the 3 position switches. So I probably will have to take this truck. I have the truck at the minute on a FlySky GT5, but I probably have to take it off and put it on. Oh crap, I'm gonna knock my camera over, but I know how to put it on one of these, guys. Pardon the shakiness there, guys. I just nearly knocked the camera over, knocked everything over. So let me just turn this around on the me again for a minute. Alright, so pretty cool, guys. I didn't realize that the lasso, or whatever you call it, however you want to pronounce that, lasso. I'm sure a lot of different people pronounce it a lot of different ways. So whatever way you pronounce it, I'm sure somebody will say, well, that's not how you pronounce it, it's like this way. It's like the dreaded T word. If you say that dreaded T word, there's different ways of pronouncing that. Like some people say it one way, some people say it another way, and yada yada yada. But I'm looking forward to getting this in the truck, in the dump truck, because it'd be nice to actually, when I'm out there on the construction site with these, for them to actually have all the engine noises. Right now they don't have it, and that's why I got these for the excavators and the dozer, because it'd be nice to actually hear the tracks, like making actual noise, and then hearing the motor rev up when you're like slewing and stuff. So should be fun. And I'll see how it works in the dozer. If I don't like it in the dozer, I'll order a different type of sound kit for it. See, there's things in here lost already in a separate little bag. Could get thrown out really quickly. You could lose stuff really quick with this. So, but as I said, guys, should be fun. So this is the part number. If my camera focuses, if anybody wants to see, that is the part number. But you just reference the 4T. It's the new system. So I hope you all enjoyed. I know I babbled on a little bit longer than what I should have, like I normally do. It's just my thing. I just babble. So peace out, everybody.